What's up traders? So in today's video we're going to be talking about JMIA Technologies or JMIA. JMIA Technology is basically the Amazon to Africa. They have a huge online market service that is growing year in and year out. So first, let's look at their graph. They have been growing very steadily for the past 3 months. They started around $4.50 in the last 3 months on April 27th, and they've since grown up to $9.65 per share. So that brings them to around 105.58% in the past 3 months. So now let's check some of their statistics that we can find on their website. If we go to their website, it says JMIA today in a nutshell. They offer over 6 million products. They serve across 13 African countries, have over 50,000 international and national brands, have over 10,000 active vendors. They are the #1 e-commerce website in Nigeria. They have over 4 million subscribers. They have 10 commercial events per year, and they have many app downloads. So now let's check their other achievements. They have 1.2 billion consumers and 17 million SMEs to serve across Africa. An SME is basically a small and medium-sized enterprise. They also have over 700 million visits to their marketplace in 2018, 1 transaction or lead every 2 seconds, 81,000 active sellers on the platform, over 29 million products, hotels, restaurants, and other services listed. So if we pay attention to their earnings, JMIA does have an earnings call on August 12, 2020, which could definitely drive the price of this stock up, maybe even before in anticipation. So now if we look at their first quarterly earnings, we can see some amazing results. We can see the results highlights on Business Wire. It says usage growth. They have an annual active consumers reach 6.4 million, a year-over-year increase of 51%. So their active users have increased 51%. Their orders have reached 6.4 million a year, and that's an increase of 28%. They've had a gross profit that reached 18.4 million euros, a year-over increase of 21%. They are just an amazing company so far. So you can go ahead and pause it and read all of this if you want, or you can check out this website. They are definitely an amazing company, and their stock is probably undervalued. So now the reason I say their stock could definitely be undervalued is because only in April last year, they were trading at around $40, and then they dipped. They even dipped to a low of only $2.33 per share on March 20, 2020. That was really with the entire market though, when the whole coronavirus hit and all stocks took a dump. But if we see Amazon, they had a pretty similar run up as well to around $80 in their first couple of years, and then they did dip. Amazon actually was trading at a lows of like $7.15 after they went public, but after that they steadily increased, and over the years they just completely rocketed up. Now if you think that that could happen with JMIA and you have some extra money laying around, you can definitely buy like 10 shares of JMIA for $10 and just leave it there and just forget about it. Just leave it there for 10-20 years and see what comes out of this company. There's huge potential for this company, especially if they can expand their marketplace to other than just Africa. That is basically what is holding them back the most. Now another thing we should keep in mind is that JMIA does offer this JMIA Pay, which JMIA Pay is something kind of like Apple Pay. It allows you to pay utility bills, make hotel reservations, book a ride, order food from your favorite restaurants, and more, all in JMIA One. You can get cash back on your home airtime and mobile data recharges with vouchers available on their website. They basically offer all these things with their JMIA Pay, which has definitely been expanding across a lot of African countries, and hopefully it would be in the benefit of this company if they could expand that payment system to other countries and especially other continents. If they took something like this worldwide, or they took their entire service worldwide, that could be a huge increase for this stock price and could definitely run it up a lot. That's why I'm saying that you could definitely buy a couple stocks right now. They are not expensive to buy, and it could definitely serve you in 10 years if this company takes off. Anyway guys, that's been it. I just kind of want to let you guys know about this company, because another thing that I feel holds back this company is that not a lot of people know about this company. They only have 19,411 people that own JMIA Technologies on Robinhood, so it's not that many people. So far it's not really this big pump and dump scheme. It's not being run up like crazy and then just about to get dumped. It's been steadily increasing for the past 3 months. Yeah guys, that's been it. Let me know what you guys think about this stock. Do you guys think it has potential? Why or why not? And that's been it guys. Peace.